Hey, it's Gabby from Big Review TV. I am inside the newly renovated Glowworm showroom in Marrickville. They have so many different types of bikes. Who knew a bike store could be so trendy? Let's go see. Glowworm bikes specialise in electric bikes, which are fastly becoming the go-to transport for work. They also sell adults bikes, kids bikes, regular bikes, mountain bikes, any type of bike you can think of, they have it. Whether you know a lot about bikes or you don't, I definitely recommend for you to come down here, take a test ride. I had so much fun on mine. This is Gabby from Big Review TV. Make sure you download the app, or better yet, come down here, check out Glowworm for yourself. You would love the showroom. See ya.
Hey there, I'm Manny from Glowworm Bicycles in Marrickville, and we specialise in electric bicycles and all sorts of other commuter and children's cycles. So if you've never tried an electric bike, please come and try one. You'll absolutely love it, guaranteed. And thank you very much.